everyone, welcome to Yourpedia and this is Shikha. So friends, if you are also preparing for the group discussion for the campus placement and for PSUs or any other organization, Yourpedia is the largest and the most authentic platform which is making you prepared for every kind of group discussion, right? So group discussion is a part of your selection basically, and this plays a very important role of course. So you need to be prepared in a very good manner so that at least you can qualify and you can go to towards your interview round, right? So yes, it's very important not for only selection purpose, I can say. It's very important for, you can say, for your generic knowledge, to stay updated what is happening around you, right? So GD comes from different domain. It can be environment related topic, finance related topic, business related, education related, lot of things are there. So I believe that abstract topic are being asked in campus placement a lot, and today we are going to discuss one important abstract topic. You can say it out as a proverbial topic, right? So today the topic of discussion is, as you can see on my screen, this is too many cooks spoil the broth. What does it mean? इस proverb का क्या मतलब है? Basically it means when lot of people are making food, it is just spoiling of that food. Means when I can say it out कि कुछ ऐसे टास्क होते हैं जहाँ पे टीम की ज़रूरत नहीं होती, you can say, जहाँ पे बहुत सारे लोगों की ज़रूरत नहीं होती है, right? Now अगर किचन में basically of course it's a very relatable example. If lot of people are working, it means we are just messing up all the things, right? One person or two person can take the charge only, right? So yes, how you need to be discuss this topic and what are the important pointers you need to be include, that we're going to be discussed. So this is too many cooks spoil the broth is a useful in several ways, primarily as a piece of practical wisdom, of course, that helps us understand and manage group dynamics and task management more effectively, right? So too many people doing the same job can mess things up. It's very important and it's very true as well. So it's like when lots of people try to stir a pot of soup. मानो कि अगर सूप है और उसको हम 10 लोग उसको ऐसे स्टेयर करें, so like is it a common sense to be do those like that? No. So this is the thing. So now अब आप इसको कैसे करके इसको डिस्कस कर सकते हो in a GD and what are the pointers you can give? So yes, here these are. Everyone has their own ideas and might disagree. Imagine each cook wants to add a different spice. The flavor could clash, of course. So basically, the best way to discuss this proverbial topic is to give day-to-day life example and relate this basically with them, right? So every coin has two sides. So this proverb has obviously advantages and disadvantages, or you can say the positives and negatives as well. So of course, negatives, or you can say the impact of this is कि lot of people can't do work at the same pace, right? It can lead to confusion, of course, about who is in charge, and if everyone is trying to lead, nobody really knows what to do, of course. Things can take longer because of too much discussion. Yes, वो delay होता रहता है. मतलब आप सोचो कि if we used to fix a meeting or something like that, and हमने एक ही बात पर discussion करनी है, सबका एक ही point है like that, वो एक time wastage है और delay in decision making है. That you can say. मतलब आप इसके एग्जाम्पल ऑर्गेनाइजेशनल गोल से भी अलाइन कर सकते हो और अपने डे टू डे लाइफ से भी अलाइन कर सकते हो, राइट? Then it comes to some people might not do their best work if there are too many others. Of course, everybody cannot show their efficiency and productivity when lot of people are working at the same place or same pace. ठीक है? So that is also, you can say, the negative impact of this proverb. In a small team project, too many leaders can cause chaos. Of course, it's very true. Then it comes to when designing something simple, too many opinions can overcomplicate it. वो बोलते हैं ना, जितने मुंह उतनी बातें और जितने ओपिनियन उतनी ही बेसिकली वो chaos क्रिएट करता है. It's just like that, right? If we have to be take a decision, if we have to be plan something and a lot of people are participating in that, it means sometime it can create chaos as well with differences. ठीक है? Dealing with differences not everybody's cup of tea. Then it comes to in a kitchen, too many people trying to cook one dish can lead to mistakes, of course. So for very big and complex task you might need many people. Yes, यहाँ से इसके positive outcome भी शुरू होते हैं. You can see कि जहाँ पे बहुत बड़ा टास्क होता है तो we need a team. At that time we need a lot of cooks, or you can say we need a lot of people with different skills, जो कि different स्किल्स पे, डिफरेंट थिंग्स पे वो काम कर सके, और एक उनकी कॉमन टीचिंग क्या होगी टू लीड दैट प्रोजेक्ट. ठीक है. Then it comes to, if everyone has a clear role and works together well, more people can mean more hands to get the job done faster. Of course, क्या होता है कि कई बार हमें एक टारगेट को मीट करना होता है, हमें कोई डेडलाइन कंप्लीट करनी है, हमें प्रोजेक्ट कंप्लीट करना है, दैट इज समथिंग वेरी नेसेसरी. इफ देयर विल बी 2 people only, how can they? But if there will be, I can say it out, lot of people, 6, 7, 8, 9 people, so they can easily do the same, right? Highlights the importance of clear leadership. Of course, we need to be go with the highlighting the clear leadership, that it reminds us that for many tasks, especially those that are not very overly complexing, it's basically, you can say it out, when you are giving a positive impact, you need to be give that this you need to be showcase the clear leadership in that. Helps manage expectations in group setting. Of course, yes, this proverb can help manage expectation when working in groups, and provides a framework for task delegation. Thus, the wisdom in the proverb encourages effective delegation. Exactly. So yes, these are the pointers you can speak in this particular topic. We have to be use the wisdom of this particular proverb basically. It's either can be positive or negative as well. Why? It's depend how you are taking it and how wisely you are understanding this proverb and how you are using it in your day-to-day life, right? When it comes to that task is very simple, we don't need any more people or like that, it is creating chaos, it is creating mess. But when it comes to a very big project and the things are very complex, the things are very scattered, at that moment we need different kind of people in a team. It's very important for a group setting, right? So yes, this is abstract topic, and I believe that campus placement students might face this abstract topic a lot. So this can also help you out basically. Why? Because it's a kind of very I can say philosophical, psychological type proverb, which just checking out your thoughts, that what is your take on this. You can align your examples with organizational goals, you can align your examples with, you can say, the day-to-day life. So you can speak example likewise, right? So yes, this documentation you can download from Yourpedia panel and can practice these topics with Yourpedia mentors on a regular sessions. So yes, all the very best. Good luck.